Nature can be beautiful, but some places on Earth are completely insane. From glowing caves to frozen wastelands, these are the craziest wildlife habitats you can actually visit. At number 10 is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth and one of the most dangerous ecosystems ever discovered. This massive jungle is filled with jaguars, giant anacondas, poisonous frogs, piranhas, and insects that scientists are still trying to study. Every part of the forest feels alive. Strange sounds echo through the trees while hidden predators move silently through the darkness. Despite the danger, millions of people dream of visiting the Amazon because it feels like stepping into another world. Number 9. Antarctica. Antarctica may look empty, but beneath all the ice is one of the harshest wildlife habitats on the planet. Temperatures can drop far below freezing, and storms here are powerful enough to knock people over. Yet life somehow survives. Massive penguin colonies huddle together for warmth, while leopard seals hunt through freezing waters. Visiting Antarctica feels less like traveling on Earth and more like exploring another planet. Number 8. The Okavango Delta in Botswana. What makes this place unique is that it's a river delta that disappears into a desert instead of flowing into the ocean. Every year, floodwaters transform the dry land into a giant oasis filled with wildlife. Lions swim between islands, crocodiles wait beneath the water, and hippos fight for territory. Tourists can travel through the delta in tiny wooden boats while surrounded by wild animals in every direction. Number 7. Madagascar. Madagascar feels like evolution created its own secret experiment. Because the island was isolated for millions of years, animals here evolved in strange and unusual ways. Giant-eyed lemurs jump through forests, while tiny chameleons hide among leaves. Over 90% of Madagascar's wildlife exists nowhere else on Earth. Scientists continue discovering new species here, making it one of the most fascinating habitats on the planet. Number 6. The Australian outback. Australia already has a reputation for dangerous wildlife, but the outback takes it to another level. This massive dry region is home to venomous snakes, giant spiders, saltwater crocodiles, and aggressive wild dingoes. Some places are so remote that help could be hundreds of miles away. The outback feels untamed, harsh, and completely unforgiving, yet people still travel there to experience its raw beauty. Number 5. The Congo rainforest. Dense, dark, and mysterious, the Congo rainforest is one of the least explored places on Earth. This jungle is home to mountain gorillas, forest elephants, and deadly snakes hidden deep within the trees. The sounds of birds, insects, and animals create constant noise throughout the forest. Some areas remain almost untouched by humans, which makes the Congo feel both beautiful and terrifying at the same time. Number 4. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone looks peaceful on the surface, but beneath it sits a giant supervolcano. Hot springs bubble from the ground while geysers explode high into the air. The wildlife here is just as intense. Wolves hunt across valleys while grizzly bears and massive bison roam freely through the park. Yellowstone is one of the few places where nature still completely controls the environment. Number 3. The Sundarbans. Located between India and Bangladesh, this flooded mangrove forest is home to one of the most feared predators on Earth, the Bengal tiger. These tigers are known for swimming between islands and sometimes attacking humans. Saltwater crocodiles fill the rivers while powerful storms regularly hit the region. The Sundarbans feel dangerous in every direction, which is exactly why so many people are fascinated by it. Number 2. The Arctic Circle. The Arctic is both beautiful and deadly. Polar bears roam across giant sheets of ice while Arctic wolves travel through freezing landscapes searching for food. For months, some areas experience complete darkness before endless sunlight suddenly returns. Surviving here is incredibly difficult, yet wildlife continues adapting to one of the coldest habitats on Earth. And number 1. The Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand. Deep underground, thousands of glowing blue worms cover the cave ceilings, making the caves look like a galaxy hidden beneath the Earth. But these glowing creatures are actually predators. They use their light to attract insects into sticky traps hanging from the cave roof. The glowing caves feel magical, mysterious, and almost unreal. Nature can be more terrifying and unbelievable than any science fiction movie. So, which of these wildlife habitats would you actually visit?